9 Tasking apps for making money. Tasking apps are an easy way to make up to $150 a day when you're out and about, completing straightforward jobs on behalf of big companies. It might not suit everyone. But if you're observant, able to get to the shops, or simply looking to earn extra money, task apps could be perfect for you. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. What are tasking apps? Tasking apps, or task apps, are similar to mystery shopping. The crucial difference is that, most of the time, there's no actual shopping involved. Instead, a typical tasking app assignment will involve you being asked to go into a supermarket or shop and, rather than buying something, you'll just need to look around. You'll be given a few questions to answer about items on the shelves, for example where they've been placed in store. Sometimes, you'll need to take pictures of a product, like a promotional display or something similar. And then, in return, you'll earn between $2 and $10. Easy money. There's usually no need to buy anything to take part, which is why this is a great money maker if you're scraping the bottom of your overdraft, unlike mystery shopping, where you're often expected to make a purchase and be refunded at a later date. How much can you earn from tasking apps? The amount you can make on task apps will depend on how much time you're willing to dedicate to using them, as well as where you're located. If you're in a city or a larger town, you might find there are jobs available on tasking apps every day. And if you have your own transport, even if it's a bike, your options are even better. Most jobs pay between $2 and $6, but we've seen as much as $15 for just one task before. The major selling point of tasking apps compared to other money-making apps is that as soon as your submission is accepted, which usually takes no more than a few hours, you can cash out straight away. Often, but not always, there's no minimum payout amount that you need to reach. If you make $2 or $200, you can withdraw it instantly. Oh, and lots of tasking apps have other ways to make money aside from tasking. The most common are paid surveys, but we'd recommend checking out our guide to the best paid survey websites if that's the kind of thing you're interested in. What are the best tasking apps? Ideally, we'd recommend downloading all of the apps shown in this video. Often only a few will have jobs available at any one time, so to maximize your chances of making a steady stream of money, download as many of them as you can. Here are the best tasking apps to download. Let's dive in. 1. Roamler. This is the app we use most, but, unfortunately, it's pretty difficult to sign up to. You need to be invited to download the app, which is available on both Android and iOS. We got accepted by searching Roamler invite on Twitter and asking someone for an invite, so it's not impossible. There are almost always tasks available and they tend to pay out between $2 and $6 each. Tasks we've completed in the past have included taking photos of plant pots in a garden center and reporting which teas are on sale in the supermarket. 2. Field Agent. Field Agent is available on iOS and Android, and we've had some pretty decent payouts from it. You'll be paid between $2 and $8 per task, so it's not bad for a few minutes of work. Task variety is pretty wide, with everything from photos and videos to offering opinion/feedback on a product. 3. Street Spotter. There aren't that many jobs available on Street Spotter. But when they do pop up, they tend to be pretty highly paid and available across the board. This means the app might be good if you live in a smallish town/city where these kinds of opportunities don't tend to pop up much. However, we made about $20 just for shopping at a German supermarket for a couple of weeks. 4. Street Bees. Tasks are a lot less frequent on Street Bees but tend to be a fair bit higher paid. We have seen a lot of tasks available with a $10 plus payout. So, even if just one job pops up a month, that could be the equivalent of one job per week on some other apps. 5. BeMyI. One of the busier tasking apps out there both in terms of jobs available and the number of registered users. This means the jobs are quite varied too. So if you get bored easily, This one's probably a good shout. Download the app and start making money. 6. Premise. Like a few of these apps, Premise asks you to complete a task. When you first join, we had to take a photograph of the weather outside. That earned us 5p straight off the bat, but since then we've not had anything come through. Still, worth keeping just in case some more tasks pop up. 7. Mobi. Mobi doesn't tend to have a great number of tasks available at any one time, and each one available to us only paid $20. But, as ever, download it just in case there are more tasks available in your area. 8. Microwork. Microwork doesn't pay a huge amount per task, but the number of jobs available is pretty impressive compared to some of the others on this list. One thing to keep in mind with microwork is that you can only get paid in the cryptocurrency, Ether. Also, beware that you may come across as slightly creepy completing some of these tasks. Lots of the actions jobs involve taking photos of people cycling, walking and even sleeping. 9. Clickworker. Clickworker's tasks, or the ones available to us, at least, are slightly different to what you'd find on your standard tasking apps. Instead of going into shops and the like, the only tasks available to us involve taking photos and videos of ourselves performing tasks. But, we've seen other users say they've had more of the stereotypical tasks come up, so we've included it here. Although 9 apps may seem like a lot, once you've downloaded them all you'll soon know which ones suit you best, and which ones are just clogging up your phone's memory. This is Norbipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.